So let's talk about this website called JVZoo. And what this website is going to do for you is that it's going to allow you to join affiliate marketplaces or affiliate offers, and you can affiliate them and make money in the US dollars. Now, the importance of this website, or the different offer of this website, is that this website accepts people from many parts of the world, and you do not need to have a website. So it's not like Impact that requires you to have websites or to have some like kind of social media flowing and stuff like that. This one is much more straightforward, and you can register from any parts of the world without the need of a VPN, without the need of being an American or having your own website or having traffic and all of those things that can be a headache if you are just starting. So this website is called JVZoo. So all you have to do is go to your browser and search for jvzoo.com, and you'll come to an interface like this one. So first you want to come here, click on start for free. Like I said, this is a general website for everybody, so it's free, you don't pay anything. And you can come here, you want to just select your legal name, your email address, set a password, confirm this password, select your country. In my case, I'm from Nigeria, so I can just come here, search for Nigeria. I'll select Nigeria, and then I will agree to the terms. I'll go to the next place where I have to verify my account, and after that I'm done. I'm in. So I do not want to create this account because I already have an account, and it's completely pointless for me to create multiple accounts. However, after you've verified your email, you'll be able to log in, and then you come to a very simple interface like this. So here, this is where you find your daily statistics. You can see the product you sold today, your gross revenue, your sales, and your visitors, and your affiliate stats. All right. This is actually if you sell. If you sell, this is going to be your stats, because you can also sell your stuff on JVZoo. So if you come here, this is your affiliate stats. This is like basically how much you've earned and all of that. This is where you see all your approved products, and then you find products that you can join. So the first thing, of course, is to add your payment method, because we want to make sure that our money, or how we can withdraw, is covered. So withdrawing on this website is slightly easy, because you have the option to use different kind of payment options that you can use. So if you come to your profile, you see everything about your profile. You see the plan that you are on. You see your affiliate ID, your seller ratings, if you are a seller, and all of that. So if you come to payment profile here, this is where you can add your payment information, how you want to withdraw your money, and all of that stuff. So if you come here, you want to select, let's say we are an affiliate, so you want to select payments so that we can take our affiliate commission. So if you want to select payments for a profile, let's say you're a seller, you can select this other one. So we are basically affiliates. So as you can see here, we have 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐿, we have Payoneer, and all of that. But before you can set this up, you need to have earned at least $50. I have not, because to be frank, I do not use JVZoo a lot. I basically use more of Impact.com, because the kind of product that affiliates are mostly on Impact.com. And that's the thing with affiliate marketing. You do not need to be on all of the platforms. You just need to find a platform that fits what you are marketing. All right. But this is basically how you can add your withdrawal method. So you can use Payoneer or 𝐻𝐸𝐻𝐿. All right. So let's talk about the other things here. So if you have your own product, this is where you find them. Now let's come to being an affiliate, because that's the interesting part. That's the reason why we are here. So this tab here where you find affiliate, if you click on it, you see your affiliate dashboard. You see your quick starts, where they give you like materials that you can use to learn. You see all the product that have approved you. You see all the product that you have like sent requests to. This is where you find new product. This is where you find contest. So product owners can create a contest and say the best affiliate will win something. So this is where you find them. So some equally have bonuses, and this is where you can find your bonuses. This is where you see all your transactions and your knowledge base. So the first thing we need to do is to find products that we want to affiliate, and we are basically going to come here where we have products. So you click on find products. So this is going to take us to the marketplace, and the marketplace is where they've listed all of the products that we can find. All right, so let me just close this. So from here you can find products by keywords, you can find them by categories, you can even find them by subcategories. Also, you can find them by products that are pre-launching, which means they've not launched yet, but they are planning to launch. You can find them by the newest product. You can find by the high ticket products. All right. So just like Impact or even Warrior Plus, you need to like request before you get approval, before you can get your affiliate link. So it's not like ClickBank or NutriProfit or Amazon, where you can just generate links for every product. Every product needs to manually like approve you. So if you come here, we can see all of the current products. You can see the different products, what they sell, the day they launched, how much they've sold, the conversion, the estimated cost per click or EPC, the average price, the commission, the refund rates. All right, so let's say we want to look at maybe just say high ticket products. You can come here, select high ticket products, and then you can say search, and it's going to give us only high ticket products that we can start affiliating for. And of course, the thing with high ticket products is that you are going to earn high commission. So you can see here, this one, the average price is over $2,000, and your the commission is 50%, which means you can earn a lot of money. But as you can see, it has sold less than 10, and it has 100% conversion rate. All right, so the good thing is that it doesn't have any refund rate, but $2,000 is going to be a lot of money for a lot of persons. So it's always difficult to go very high with affiliate marketing. So the good thing is just to find a product that is not so high and not so low that people actually do need. So for instance, now if I wanted to pick something here, this would be good for me because I'm in the e-com niche. So a done for you viral e-com funnel is something I can sell, but I think the price here is quite expensive. So I'm just going to uncheck this, and let's come to category. So if you come to category, you can see different things that you can affiliate. So we have business, finance, cooking, food, employment, foreign languages, blah blah blah, a whole lot of them. So let's focus on internet and e-commerce because this is my niche. All right, so if I click on that, I can see all the products right here. All right, so I can see the different products that we have right here. So let's say I wanted to request for any of them. I can just come here, click on this, so I can just see what this product is about. So this is the sale price, $1,900. Again, it's sort of high. The commission is 50%. This is how the commission will be paid. There's something called the JVZoo pay, so we might talk about it later. Now the product part of the product is a part of the funnel, which includes 5 other products. All right, so you can basically request permission here, or you can view the vendor profile to see what this vendor has done before. So you can see when they joined JVZoo, you can see their refund rates, their number of affiliates they've had, the total votes, and all of that. So they've been in the top seller for the last 365 days with more than 23,000 plus sold products. So just in case you want to know that you are not promoting junk product and you want to promote product from very good creators, this vendor profile is quite important. All right, so this vendor doesn't have any bonuses yet, but this is how you want to apply. So you come here, you write a message, you can even do a video and just send them the link right here. You can say, hello, I am a content creator on YouTube and I make videos around e-commerce, online money making opportunities, and all of that. And then once you are done, you can click here, I am not a robot, and then pass the captcha. So we are trying to look for bridges here. So you pass the captcha and then you can just request approval. So Once you request the approval, you will be approved or rejected depending on what this vendor wants. So once you've been approved, then you can get your affiliate link. All right, so I have some products that's already approved me, so I'm just going to show you what the affiliate link looks like. But before then, if you come here, you can equally see the product page, and the product page is basically the sales page or the landing page where you send your traffic to. So you want to preview it to see what it looks like. So this is a landing page for this this very product. All right, so now let's come back to find even more products. All right, so you can do this across any niche that interests you. You can find products across niches that you are interested in. So let's come to the category again and see, let's say we want to do something about software. All right, or we can just come here, search for AI, because AI has been popping in recent times. All right, so we can see this one. So this one was launched not so long ago, 3rd 12 2024 or thereabout. It's also 250 plus. This is a conversion rate. This is the average price. This is the commission, 80%. And you come down, you see other ones that you can basically join. You come to subcategory, you can see, let's say under software, we want let's say hosting. All right, let's say hosting softwares for maybe online businesses and all of that. So this is basically how you go about finding products on JVZoo. So you can see different products. You can just come here, click on request approval, and then again you can just request the approval. But now let me show you how to actually get the affiliate link. Again, before then, this is the sales price for this $36. You earn 80%. This is the seller. They pay you commission through JVZoo Pay, so you need to set up JVZoo Pay. So you just come here, write again what you want to write to make them approve you, and then you click on request approval. So I have some approved products already, so I can find them here. I can click on approved products. So this is where you get your affiliate links from. All right, so as you can see, this one here, this AI review engine plus don't file use suit lights by Joseph Zamora, it has approved me for some time now, so the refund is 0%, and it was released sometime in 2023. It has sold less than 10, which I do not think is a good deal, but let's just say I wanted to get the link. I can just click on get the link, so I copy the link. So this is going to be my affiliate link. So if I come anywhere, and this is what I basically want to start promoting. So in the subsequent videos, we are going to talk about simple free ways that you can use to promote your affiliate links. However, I already have videos that talk about how to promote links or affiliate links. So you want to check those links out to start your affiliate marketing journey if you want to. But this is basically how you can join JVZoo. This is how the interface is. This is how you can find products, apply to products, get your affiliate links, and then get to the real job, which is trying to push traffic to these products and actually earning affiliate commissions. I hope this video has been helpful. If yes, please like the video. If no, tell me. If you have questions, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is 𝐷noel, and I'll see you in my next videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.